How to check threads history threads by Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video today I'll guide you through the steps on how you can check threads history on threads by Instagram. Well, let's get straight into the video. Now if you open up threads, you shall be on the home page, right? Here you can simply go ahead and tap on the profile icon or head over to your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner and you'll be on the profile. Once on your profile, you'll be able to see all the threads, your threads history, your replies, media, and repost as well. Now, unfortunately, if you wish to look at a particular thread that you have interacted with, for instance, you were looking at certain thread and then it got refreshed and now you want to check that thread again, but you don't find it. You want to find it on the history. Well, unfortunately, you won't be able to see such history on threads by Instagram. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave your comments down below if you have any further issues as well.